all the cash transfers in this country. And is
incoming Chief Administrative Planning, incoming CS.
Leadership in this ministry. Father, we take this opportunity to thank.
Mine, in the interest of time, is just Waziri to welcome you.
Officers from Social Protection. Waziri, the most important, the flagship project of this State Department is the cash transfer. We administer about a budget of 26 billion, should have actually been up to 30 billion, but because of inadequacy of budgetary support, we are not there yet. Under this, we handle the elderly, and up to 1,300,000 beneficiaries are now getting that support. The potential is more, up to 5 million are supposed to be on this program. But because of the budgetary constraint, therefore, it may be difficult to have them all at once.
Talking about NSSF, the Social Security Fund, to increase our collection, to expand our base, including reaching out to the informal sector, to move the numbers of those registered from the present 2.6 to maybe over, even the target is about 16 million, to even 50%, so that we enhance the base to assure our retiring, our elders, a more dignified retirement.
The social protection, we want really to acknowledge that we will miss you.